not dust off your crochet hook and start a colourful crochet project with the help of this 3-part All You Need to Know to Begin Crocheting series with Jane Czaja. In this workshop series you will learn the double crochet stitch. Jane starts with your foundation row of a chain and then works upwards on her small demo square. Watch closely as Jane shares a great tip for ensuring that you don't miss a stitch at the end of the row. The treble crochet stitch, including how to start, how to turn at the end of the row, how to keep the project edges straight, so not gaining or losing any stitches, and then how you need a 3-chain at the start. And finally, the half treble crochet stitch, the third basic crochet stitch. Jane starts with a chain of 10 stitches, demonstrating how to start your first row, how to turn at the end of the row, and how to keep the side of the project nice and neat. Once you've mastered these 3 stitches, you can tackle any crochet pattern. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our videos for as little as £5 a month. You can also purchase a series or individual workshops to create your own personal library with on-demand access. Happy crocheting!